morning guys. So I just brushed my teeth and washed my face, and the climate in Coimbatore has been so good since the past few days, actually weeks. It has been cloudy and it has been continuously drizzling. I love this kind of climate. Look at that, no sun at all. Just how I like it. I hate sunny days. So, one fun fact about me is that when I wake up every morning, I need a cup of hot ginger tea. And not just any ginger tea, my mom's ginger tea. She makes the best ginger tea ever. And I have tried making her recipe myself, but I was never able to make it. I make terrible tea. So, yeah, I even tried learning from YouTube on how to make ginger tea. But somehow, okay, I follow the exact same steps, but somehow the tea that I make is always terrible. Yeah. Okay guys, so I just realized I'm running super late because now first I have to go and take a shower, then I have to film a brand collaboration reel, and then after that I have to go out. So I have to do everything quickly within half an hour.
1 hour later.
Okay guys, I just got out of the shower. My hair is full wet. Let's get started. Get ready with me. Typical influencer talk. Sunscreen. My sunscreen tube is going to get over, but I need to get the last tiny drop of cream out. I don't use a concealer on a daily basis, but since my skin is doing bad and I have to record a brand collab reel, so I have to cover this all up.
Literally my whole face. If I have to cover every tiny bit of acne, then I have to apply this on my whole face. Okay.
So next I'm going to apply blush. So I have this lipstick which is like the perfect pink shade, and I love using it as a blush. I look like Chutki from Chhota Bheem. Done. The next step is eyeliner. I'm just gonna make a tiny wing, and I hope I get it right on the first try because I can't go wash my whole face and do the whole process again. Please pray for me. Guys, look at that. This wing is perfect. I hope I get it right on this side as well. I will lose my mind if I don't. This side is bigger than this side, so I need to fix this side off. I don't know if anything changed, but I'm not gonna do anything more to this because if I keep fixing things, I might just ruin it at the end. So, and my face is all done. Nice, I'm wearing my brother's sunglasses. That's my brother, by the way. So let me quickly give you a fit check. We just reached Lulu, guys. So we are in Lulu right now and we want to eat something. We are having a lunch from here. Lulu is so crowded today because it's Saturday, and usually on Saturdays Lulu is very crowded. So we have to wait in a queue for food. Trust me guys, it is so awkward to record in public. Everyone's just staring at me. But you gotta do what you gotta do. So we just had food, and now we're going to Miniso because it's the cutest store ever. I always go there, but I never buy anything because things are expensive. Also, it's sunny again. Just this morning, and my brother is wearing a full sleeve t-shirt.
That one black.
Black. Just this morning, I was telling in my vlog that it has been cloudy and it has been continuously drizzling. I love this kind of climate. And it's back to being sunny again. I hate it. So hot. We have come to Miniso now. Yes. Guys, look at these plushies. Look at these plushies. Look at this. This is so cute. If you guys ever want to gift me something, Miniso plushies it is. As a kid, I was a big fan of Doraemon. Please gift me this plushie, guys. Please. 1,000 rupees for this Doraemon. One day when I become famous, I'm gonna use these glasses to hide from the paps. Guys, so my final semester results are out. Check your mail, everyone. Okay. My god. Guys, my results just loaded. Wait, let me calculate the total percentage. Okay. So my total percentage for this final semester is 91.12 percentage. Which is not bad at all. Considering that I barely studied this semester, I had the most fun. Like, I barely attended classes. I barely took exams seriously. I only studied like in the last minute. I'm pretty happy with the marks. Like 91 percentage is like. I'm so sure that all my marks went in attendance because, as I said, I barely attended classes. Yeah, so I'm pretty happy with my marks, and people are just staring at me as I'm shooting. So, but okay, super happy. Yeah, so this was my last time, receiving results from my college. It's kind of sad. I really liked my college life, especially the last semester, because I would like roam out with my friends all the time. It was such a nice time, but now everyone's gone. Yeah, so before I get too emotional, they are all not here and I miss them so much. But okay, people are just staring at me. I feel so awkward. So now we are going to race course to meet a friend at a cafe and we are going to eat again. Easy, guys, easy. I let him win. So I just had a Nutella milkshake and I'm craving for momos right now. I don't know, I'm like always hungry. That's the reason behind my constant weight gain, guys. But I need to control my tongue a little bit. But anyways, we should always follow our heart. So now I'm going to look for momos somewhere. And my brother's paying, so yeah. So I'm gonna let my brother pay for me. Hi guys, so I just reached home like a few minutes back and now I'm going to gym. I'm going to the gym where my brother usually goes. Look at the kids playing. I miss being a kid. So I just did a little workout and I'm like super tired right now. My brother, he has been into fitness for like many years, and so he's gonna help me out. I really want to start taking my body seriously, and I really want to get fit. Trust me, guys. I don't have much strength, so I want to work on that. And I'll be taking my brother's help, and he's a very fit person. So, yeah, I need to take his help and I need to get in shape. And by the end of 2025, I will be fit, guys. Hopefully. Hey. Hey guys, so after the gym, I went out with a few friends and I just reached home. I'm super duper tired. You can tell that by my eyes, like my eyes are red and all. I'm like very sleepy. So first I'm going to do my skincare because we cannot miss this step. My skin has been doing very bad lately, so I decided to do actual skincare because before this I never did skincare. I don't know much about skincare and what products I should buy or anything like that. I just checked a few things on YouTube, a few products, and then I also asked ChatGPT what my skin problem is and what products would help. So I made a conclusion and got a serum, and now I have to see if this works or not. I've been using it for like a week or something, and I also have like 2 new pimples. In the pimple area, I'm going to apply this cream. Also, last step of my skincare, Vaseline. My lips get very chapped even if it's not winters. Perfect. I want to let you guys know that my life is not this eventful on a regular basis. Today was an exception. I had a lot of fun, but I'm also very tired. Today was an interesting day, so I decided to vlog it, and I really hope you guys liked it. And now I'm gonna relax for a bit with, guess what, my mom's ginger tea. Starting and ending the day with the OG ginger tea made by my mom. Love it. Now I'm gonna switch off the light and turn on my pink light, my favorite. And I'm gonna relax for a bit with my ginger tea. And I'm also going to watch some YouTube. It's like 12:30 a.m. now, and I think I should go to bed. My sleep schedule is also like, and I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. This was a very fun day for me, and I vlogged in public. That is so out of my comfort zone, and I had so much fun filming this, and I really hope you guys had fun watching this vlog. So yeah, I'm so excited to make more YouTube videos, and please subscribe to my channel. I promise I'll be consistent, and I'll keep uploading vlogs and challenges and different types of videos. So subscribe without fail. Also follow me on my Instagram. I upload reels over there, and like this video and comment down below what do you guys think about this video. So yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.